One hot summer day, a thirsty crow was flying in search of water. He felt very tired and weak because of the heat. After a long time, he saw a pot under a tree. He looked inside and found a little water at the bottom. The water level was too low for his beak to reach. The crow thought for some time and got a smart idea. He picked up small stones lying nearby. One by one, he dropped the stones into the pot. Slowly, the water level started rising. Soon, the water came up high enough. The crow happily drank the water. He flew away, feeling proud and refreshed.